TikTok, the legal edition. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And let's be honest, the words legal deadlines don't exactly get your pulse racing, do they? It's not exactly a trip to Disneyland, is it? More like a trip to the DMV, but with higher stakes and fewer bad magazines. And this is a terrifying, but understanding these limitation periods is crucial for navigating the legal system effectively. Because if there's one thing more frustrating than dealing with the law, it's being told, oh, you're too late to do anything about it. It's like missing the last cookie because you were busy blinking. Alright, first up, you've just had your day in court, the gavel's slammed down, and you're thinking, hold on, that's not right. Well, you've got 30 days to file that first appeal in a civil case. 30 days. That's barely enough time to get over the shock of wearing pants with a zipper in public again. So the first appeal didn't go your way? Well, buck up, Buttercup, you've got another shot. You have 60 days for a second appeal in a civil case. 60 days. More time, sure, but also more pressure. Still not satisfied? Well, you're not alone. For a civil revision, you have 90 days. That's right, 90 whole days to meticulously comb through every detail, every comma, every errant coffee stain on your legal documents. Chapter 4. Capital Punishment Appeals. No time to waste. Okay, this one is serious. We're talking about capital punishment cases, and the deadline for appeal is just 7 days. 7 days. Because in cases like this, every single day matters. Chapter 5. Magistrate to Sessions Court. Leveling up your appeal. Appealing from a magistrate to a Sessions Court? You've got 30 days to get your paperwork in order. That's right, 30 days to navigate the labyrinthine world of legal jargon and court procedures. Chapter 6. Sessions Court to High Court. The stakes get higher. Okay, things are getting real now. Appealing from a Sessions Court to a High Court? You have 60 days. The pressure is on, but remember, clear heads and a good lawyer are your best friends right now. Chapter 7. High Court to Supreme Court, the big leagues. This is it, folks. The pinnacle of the legal system. To appeal from a high court to the Supreme Court, you have a mere 30 days. 30 days to convince the highest court in the land that your case deserves another look. Chapter 8. Magistrate to High Court. Chalon versus Complaint. Okay, pay close attention because this one has two flavors. Appealing from a magistrate to a high court. For a Chalon case, it's 30 days. But for a complaint case, you get a whole 60 days. It's like ordering a pizza. One size does not fit all. Chapter 9. Sessions Court to High Court. Chalon versus Complaint again. We're back for round 2 of Chalon versus Complaint, this time for appeals from Sessions Court to High Court. Chalon case, 30 days. Complaint case, 60 days. See? Told you it was important. Chapter 10. High Court to Division Bench. Acquittal or conviction. Appealing from a high court to a division bench. For both acquittals and convictions, you've got 20 days. That's right, just 20 little days to make your case. No pressure or anything. Chapter 11. Execution of Decree. Justice delayed. You finally got that decree, that legal vindication. Congratulations. Now you have 6 years to actually execute it. 6 years! That's longer than some marriages. Chapter 12. Civil suits, don't sleep on your rights. Civil suits are a bit more relaxed. You have 3 years from the cause of action to file. That's 3 whole years to mull it over, consult with your lawyer, and maybe write a screenplay about it. Chapter 13. Article 150, Death Sentence Appeals. We're back to serious business. Article 150 deals with appeals from a death sentence to the High Court. You have 7 days. 7 days. Let that sink in. Chapter 14. Article 151, High Court Orders. Appealing a High Court order on the original side? You have 20 days to get your ducks in a row. And trust me, when it comes to legal ducks, you want them in a perfectly straight line. Chapter 15, Article 154, Appeals to Other Courts. Last but not least, for appeals to any other court besides the High Court, Article 154 gives you 30 days. It's like the legal equivalent of a standard shipping window. That's a wrap on the key legal